back to another civil linens video. Today I'm showing you how to easily decorate your marquee letters with balloons. Let's begin. Start by making clusters of 4 to 5 balloons in assorted sizes. Next, tie a few 360 balloons together. Grab one end and tie it around your balloon cluster. Then, grab another cluster and tie it onto the other using a figure 8 method. Now I'm attaching the balloon garland directly to the letter through the back. I'm adding some glue dots to secure the cluster in place. Next, I'm trimming some eucalyptus stems and taping the ends to avoid poking the balloons. Adding greenery or flowers to your balloon garland is a quick and simple way to add an additional layer of elegance to your design. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you stop by our social media pages for more event inspiration and subscribe to see our latest videos. Thank you again and see you next time.